loob. Kaya natin sa loob yan. Kita na natin sa personal.
Thank you for seeing me.
Kaya sa ano,
O bakit?
Okay, sige, thank you.
si Master.
Ang cancel na.
Okay.
Master pa naman.
Oh, sige, sige.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Archie, your turn.
Oh, yours na. Your turn. Those na?
Okay. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Another one. Thank you. Selfie po kami.
Pandas memories with Sir Coco.
Okay. I lived in their house for about 2.5 to 3 years. And I was his pianista, music director. Fondest memories, marami. Sobrang marami. And I remember he shared everything. He was very generous. He would lend me his clothes. And then, I was treated like family in their house.
Thank you.
Hi. Take a
Sino sasama?
Ano? Bobby, where's Mio?
Nandito sa likod.
Kokoy.
Okay, thank you.
Punta si... Kay Mary.
Okay na phone mo.
Ito naman tayo. Awan. Awan. Miyoy. One, two. Janine.
Yay!
Tara na. 1, 2.
Gurang!
Yes.
Ano?
Go, alam mo na.
Parang kurang. Pasa-pasa.
Ay, picture. Going na kayo. Ay, picture kayo. Rabi.
Oo, yes. Sana tayo.
Laging ano?
Oo. Sige. Plano tayo. Tayo nila mo.
AC Rapadas.
Yeah.
Ano po?
Uy.
AC Rapadas. Ay, AC Rapadas.
Iyan pa. Plano tayo.
Sige pare.
Ito, mayaman to eh. Ito. Ito.
Ma'am Denise.
First question po, ma'am, what's your Pandas memories with Sir Kokoy po? Pandas memories po with Sir Kokoy po.
Every day is a fun memory. We live in the same house. We grew up together. Lahat ng alam ko about singing and being on the stage is from him. Kumakanta kami sa simbahan, sa mga misa, sa weddings and funerals, even at a young age. And so he really lived his life for God, and that taught me so much. And of course, my first ever musical at the age of 5.5, 6, siya yung dahilan kung bakit ko nasimulan yung career ko. And he showed me, his passion for artistry and acting and singing and dancing. And he played my dad in my first production. So, he means so much.
Tapos second question po, ma'am, usap-usapan po yung related po kay Miss Nora Honor with Sir Kokoy po. May any opinion niyo po about their relationship po or any memories po with Miss Nora Honor po?
My memories
Apo.
with Miss Nora?
With Miss Nora po and Mr. Kokoy po. Kasi usap-usapan po nila na parang sumunod daw po agad si Sir Kokoy kay Nora. Yun po yung mga nababasa ko sa comments po.
I think that's a very touching thing to think, and it's very charming to think that. I'm sure a lot of their fans must be so happy na may kasama sila ngayon. It was definitely heartbreaking for my papa ko, for Tita Nora to go. And I just like to think na nasa heaven sila ngayon, lahat masaya na sila, lahat sila batchmates this year. So yung pag-enter nila sa heaven, I'm sure they're celebrating together. And my fondest memory of the two of them would be, she had a big concert in Araneta, and I think I was only 9 years old, and I played the young Nora, and I sang People. It was Tita Nora and Tita Pocoy that taught me the song People. And I remember we had to copy yung nunal niya. So kung ano-ano tinatry nila, either eyeliner, paminta, like they were trying everything for me to copy her mold. But yeah, that was definitely a nice memory with the group. We were always so fond of each other.
Last question na lang po, ma'am. How do you want to be remembered po, Sir Kokoy, kung ng mga tao po? Paano niyo po siya gustong maalala or maalala ng mga tao po?
Of course, we all know that he was so talented, and he was so remarkable, world class. And one thing that I really want people to remember about him was that he had the biggest heart. That, and I said this already the other day, no matter what kind of circumstances comes his way, he's always the most wonderful, kind human being. He's always the most helpful. He always saw the best in people. Whenever he meets somebody, he just automatically sees what's beautiful about that person. And he's always everybody's biggest cheerleader. And he was so generous, so kind with his time, his talent, his energy, his financially he was helping so many people. He would even give the shirt off his back or the shoes that he's wearing if hindi ko siya pinigilan. But yeah, he was a wonderful human being that lived for God. He didn't need anything else. He just always had God in his heart. That's how I want people to remember.
Thank you po. What is your fondest memories po with Sir Kokoy po? Yeah.
Singing,
He
from
was-
his singing and his kindness.
A wonderful, wonderful, mabait person.
A gentle soul.
A gentle soul, yeah, correct.
And,
Always makes you happy
and,
Always smiling.
and always wants to make you happy.
also, next question po, ma'am. Ngayon po pinag-uusapan si Miss Nora Honor and Sir Kokoy. May mga comments po din yung mga fans
Movie sila together,
na
di ba?
parang sumunod daw po si Sir Kokoy. Ano po yung masasabi niyo po sa dalawa?
Baka nga. Oo, they're singing in heaven together. Yeah.
Proper ba yun to pag tinanong ko yun? Anyways, let's get serious. So, answer na lang ako.
Ano yung question?
Sige, stop ko muna.
Kumain ka na ba?
Ha? Oo.
Ay ka muna.
Oh, baka mataba. Hindi, kumain na ako. So we're here at the second night of wake of Mr. Kokoy Laurel. So, Miss Isay, Mr. Robert, paano niyo po unang nakilala si Mr. Kokoy Laurel? Is it through a Nestor Torre production?
Hindi po ako nakilala ko siya in Pinay sa Miss Saigon. Though, of course, kilala naman si Kokoy.
Nag-same Miss Saigon ba kayo?
Yeah.
Same batch
Ah,
kami.
same
Original
pala.
cast of Miss
Okay.
Doon.
Magkapit bahay kami nito. Right.
Magkatabi yung bahay nila.
Next door kami.
Kasi-
Next door
Oh.
dito.
Yeah.
So, what's your first impression or memory of him?
Wala ka naman mapupunta kay Kokoy. Actually, too much na yung pagkabait niya na ikaw na yung napapagod na he's always there for you. Kahit ano, tingin mo sa kanya, anything. And you know what? Siya ang unang-unang nagsabi sa akin na, alam mo Robert, you'll fly here in West End. Tui, yung the engineer. Marami ka pa magagawa. Ayun, that's how I remember. Very giving and
Very generous.
generous.
Yung kinukwento ko kanina na dahil magkapit bahay kami next door, pag uwi namin, alam ko mag-tube lang kami o magbabus lang kami. Hindi, may taxi na dun sa stage door naghihintay para sa amin. Courtesy of Mr. Laurel. At lagi niya yung ayaw niya, hindi mo pwedeng unahan yun ng pagbayad. Laging siya, this is me, this is me. This is mine, this is mine. Ako na to. So, nasanay na kami. Tingnan ko, bayaran mo na lang.
Yeah.
Kasi it's really like that.
Definitely miss him.
What can you say na yung best quality ni Kokoy?
Yung, he's so talented, immensely talented, yet very grounded. Napaka-humble. Hindi mo maiisip na galing siya sa isang very privileged family. Kasi nga, napaka-magalang niya sa lahat ng antas ng buhay. Meron kami nga doon, meron siyang fan, talagang super fan niya yun, si Tita,
Jutay.
Oh, every night yan, magdadala ng pagkain. Hindi din naman namin kilala si Tita Jutay. But because si Kokoy nga, lagi kaming in-introduce, so naging very close kami. So dati, ang dinadala lang niya ng pagkain, si Kokoy. Hanggang sa naging buong Pilipinas of Miss Saigon, hanggang sa naging
Fairness, may
unang pa
budget
namin.
siya.
Oo. But she's a housekeeper sa isang napakayaman na family sa Kensington. And ayun, naging very close na rin kami. Pero talagang fan, number one fan ni Kokoy yun.
How did you learn of the news na passing?
Ano lang, sa Facebook lang, somebody sent me.
Social media. And what's good about Kokoy, hindi siya nagba-backbite, never says anything bad to other people. Kahit even sa talent, kung may problema, hindi niya sasabihin, yung training lang, Robert, yung magagawa niya.
Very positive.
Voice lessons lang
Ganun
yan.
siya.
Kaya.
Katuwa na.
He's an angel. Here on earth.
So, ano yung, kailan yung last time na naka-communicate na siya, even through text? Or...
Sa yung tribute for
Atigay.
You were all there.
Sa Malacanang.
sa Malacanang. So he was
performed.
there.
He got the medal, di ba? Yung, ano ba yung special?
Yeah, binigyan sila.
Oh,
Yeah.
medal. Yeah.
Tapos, he was there. Actually, we knew he was there. Inaabangan namin siya talaga kasi we've not seen him for a long time. So, buti na lang naging nakapagkwentuhan sa tali. So, yun. May last month.
So, last na lang, if you have like anything unsaid to Kokoy Laurel, what would that be?
Ako, sana nakapagsama kami ng matagal pa kasi very siya hindi naman introvert pero very very private. Mahirap ma-invite, lagi lang nasa bahay. You don't see him sa social media. Minsan magme-message siya akin tapos magme-message back ako sa kanya, magsasabihin ko password. Is this really you? Yes, sagot lang. And that's it. Wala na. Yun lang, sana
Sana.
yung camaraderie sana mas wala lang for togetherness and happiness.
Sila nakapagtrabaho sa Scholar. They played Jose Rizal and we did
One more.
Sila at least nakapagtrabaho dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi kami we didn't get the chance na magkasama sa isang production. It would have been lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
I'm